Okay. Good evening, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. This broadcast is for all the customers of Nwago and Property, Nwago Property and Homes Limited. All na Nigola na nke Nwago. All Nigola na naka Nwago. This information is for you. I want you to share this video so that it will get to people, it will get to your friends, it will get to your family, it will get to your friends, and it will get to your family. There is a special update. Share this video. Share this video. Not only this video, make sure you share this video. Click on like and love so that this information can get through to people. That is Abalosi. I greet you. Good evening. I greet you. Share this video. Oh no, only ma gola na nke Nwago. Tag onye na this video. Because metro maka na like and love. Oh no, my follower. Ebata na my broadcast. Ofifo mo ya de melu mo owo. Oya du ko no too much. Ni metro maka na like and love. That is the least you can do for me. If you share it, it will be best also. That will be another best way to support what we are doing here. Whether if I if you were concerned, there were other people who, just like this particular broadcast now, are very important to so many people. Only Golan and Nwago got ifia. Come closer here. I don't know when one day Golan and Nwago got ifia. Come closer here. Share this video. It will be beneficial to one person. This is Empire. I greet you. Aflongo. Yeah? I don't know in Eba and I watch him. Drop a comment. Tell me where you are watching us from. Special update to all Nwago here and Property. Nwago here Property and Homes Limited customers. All the people who bought land from Nwago here. This special update is from you, Nwokoma, the only true and wise man I know in this blue app. I celebrate your grace and I will also appreciate you. Hey! Joy Emmanuel, Igbo. Oh! Okune Dobi. Because them metro man can like and love now. I'm like it to say make viewers about to 20 or drop what to 10 or 4. It doesn't make sense now. Metro man can share button. Share on this video. Ogodu na ife an na-ekwu agbasa how share near go reach so many other people. When many people go na nke Nwago. One name you are doing well and they don't know, so I greet you. All ni gola na nke Nwago. Doris are watching from Ibadan. Dalo hinde. All ni gola na nke Nwago or ni mo onye gola na nke Nwago. Gonya. Oh, no. Share this video. The fan says you go because no share no this video. Do no. Opono na support ole mo na support school nko na ona hapu go na my WhatsApp group. Nenu video mmadụ one na watch mmadụ for share golie o mazikono mma odo anu mmanu. This is a very important and beneficial information. Here benefit a lot of people. Here I go. Share no this video. Make I cry. I have a very important information I want to give to people. Should I cry? Chianya no ugodo na ịchọ ịwash ya na isi ya donu ha do 5 mana mmadụ 18 na wash m Imagine no one mmadụ 18 share ya, na mmadụ 18 na share this video. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Na nyere unu na-ezuga aka na-ezuga ụkwụ nwanne unu. Enye na unu na-ezuga aka na-ezuga ụkwụ nwanne unu. Mmadụ 5 share go this video. Why not mmadụ 15 na watch ya, mmadụ 16 na watch ya currently. Anyway, nevertheless, there is this special update for all the customers of Nwago and Properties Homes Limited. Only Igbo and nke Nwago Ataifia, especially those people we announced about allocation some time back, and we kept on working because we want to serve you better. And I am pleased to announce to you people that we are starting allocation, but we are going to start with Nwago Classic. So only Igbo and Nwago Classic Asaba. Go only Igbo mana onye Jeremiah Zonta ananko were do dia now. If you inbox me, send your message so that I can send you information about ananko were. Only Igbo and Nwago Classic Presido na Asaba. Only Golana na Nwago Classic Presido Asaba. We are starting allocation with Nwago Classic Presido Asaba on Friday. So only Golana na Nwago Classic Presido na Asaba. On Friday, this Friday, by 8:30, make sure that between 8:30 to 10 that you are there at the Asaba office. I am going to drop a video of the address to Asaba office, Nwago Ataifia Properties and Home. Take a bus or whatever way to Asaba. Get to the office in Asaba. Make sure that you are there from Ototo to 10 o'clock. By 10:30, everybody will be off to the site for allocation. So Owuluni Golana na Nwago Classic Presido, or ni Monye Golana na Nwago Classic Presido, tell that person that we will be doing allocation to those who bought land there this Friday. Make sure that you are at the office before 10, because by 10:30 they will zoom off to the site proper for the allocation. Now, let it also be known to you that after that Friday, the price of that land is going to increase. But it's going to increase, and Owuluna Igozie after Friday, it will be instant allocation. But the price is going to increase. Let me check. Nwago Classic Presido. Where is it? Nwago Classic Presido. Where is it? Only when anybody go down and Nwago Classic Presido. Go on Friday. Yeah, Nwago Classic Presido, also known as the Billionaire Quarters, goes to Admiralty University, Ibuza Delta State. The price is 2.5 million, and I am announcing to you that after our allocation on Friday, if you want any plot of land by Saturday, you will be paying 4 million naira instant allocation. So, ehalo elambaji akono ekwu udo iwolofu. Ehalo elambaji akono ekwu udo iwolofu. Allocation will be taking place by Friday. I will drop a video that will give you an address, a description, a direction on how you can get to our Asaba office. Make sure that you are there by latest 10, because by 10:30, the mother from there heading to the estate site where the allocation will be taking place proper. Remember that currently that land is selling at 2.5 million, But after Friday, the price of that land will go up to 4 million naira but instant allocation. So you choose to either pay 2.5 million or pay 4 million naira after Friday. The choice is yours. I'm going to drop a video after this. That video will give you an address to, okay, I can do it here, right? Then I will also drop a video in case if you need to watch that video. And
the traffic light at Ibuso Junction.
Okay, listen.
How to get to our Asaba office? You see this traffic light at Ibuso Junction. So anywhere you are, just get to Ibuso Junction inside town. Tell the keke or your driver, or you take the map and locate Ibuso Junction, the popular Ibuso Junction inside town. Then you see a UBA. This is the UBA. There is just one UBA at Ibuso Junction. And behind the UBA, this is the entrance. Okay, this is the street. And this is our plaza. We are at the second floor. You can see our flags there. So anywhere you are coming from, just get to Ibuso Junction. You will see a UBA. Behind the UBA is our office. So beside the UBA is your entrance. And this is our beautiful office. What are you waiting for? Come, let's give you a genuine property. Thank you. And God bless you.
I will still drop a video to this effect. I will still put this video so that it will help you and give you a direction on Friday. So this is for the people who bought land at Nwago Classic Presido. When we are done with the allocation there, we are going to move to another location. We are going to continue like that until we fully allocate everybody that has bought land from us. So, like I said, on Friday, make sure that latest by 10, you are there at our Asaba office, so that all of us will start heading to the site by 10:30. Remember, currently the price is still 2.5 million, but after Friday, the price will go to 4 million instant allocation. I still remain your favorite Ezugo. Share this video so that people will see it. Share this video so that you can notify people accordingly. For those who bought land from Nwago, Ouni Gokolana, now every other estate Nwago, don't worry, sure. We are going to keep announcing the date for the allocation. Gradually, we are going to fully allocate the land to everybody. Remember, we are starting with Nwago Classic Presido on Friday, selling at 2.5 million, and after Friday, the price will go to 4 million instant allocation. So choose to either pay 2.5 or pay 4 million after Friday. Remember, you must endeavor to be at the office latest 10, because by 10:30 the train is going to move to the site for allocation proper. I remain your favorite Ezugo. Daloma.